What's up, people? This is Ammu, and you're watching Ammu's Beauty and Cooking Directory, the place to know DIY hacks to secret recipes for delicious food. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, go and click the subscribe button and the bell icon. Here I am sharing facial skin tightening remedy. As we grow old, our skin start to show sign of aging. It start losing its natural elasticity, which leads to sagging. Sagging of a skin is a natural process and is irreversible, but it can be reduced. What causes the skin to become loosey and saggy? As I said, sagging skin is one of the most sign of age and is the most predominantly seen on the face. Wrinkles and furrows are the first sign you see as a age. Slowly your skin starts to sag from your cheeks, nose, chin, neck, arms. So to overcome all these things, I bought you a simple remedy which are available in your kitchen. Only three ingredients. So without any further ado, let's get into the video.
Take one ripe banana and one tomato. Blend these two. Transfer into a bowl and keep it aside. Step 1. Massage with coconut oil for 10 minutes. Coconut oil penetrates into deeper layers of the skin and rejuvenates the skin cells. It keeps the skin hydrated and nourished. Its antioxidants eliminate free radicals that are damaging your skin and speeding up the aging process. For more and more benefits about this DIY remedy, please check my description box below. Step 2. Ripe banana plus tomato juice. Apply all over your face, leave it on for 15 minutes and wash it off with cool water. Do this twice a week to have youthful skin. Banana is rich in iron, zinc, potassium, and vitamin A, B, C, and D. Ripe bananas can be used for skin tightening as its minerals and vitamins give it anti-aging properties. It also smooths and moisturizes the skin.
And that's all about today's video. Hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, share and subscribe to my channel for more and more interesting videos. See you on next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye. Keep smiling. Bye.